Shelly shares a shell, a short story to help you practice your SH sound. Shelly is a shy turtle. She walks along the shore in the sunshine. She sees a shiny shell in the sand. She picks it up and smiles. "It's so shiny," she says. Then she hears a shh. A small fish is hiding in the shell. "Sorry," says Shelly. "I didn't mean to scare you." The fish shakes his head. "It's okay. Want to share?" Shelly laughs. "Sure, let's sit and share some shade." Say the SH words with me. Shy, shore, sunshine, shiny, shell, sh, fish, shakes, share, shade. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow us for more fun English lessons.